As strange as it may seem that there could be more severe snowstorms in a warming climate, that's in fact what we have observed over the past several decades. Increasing temperatures actually increase the amount of moisture in the atmosphere that can lead to heavier snowstorms. Reductions in Arctic sea ice can actually have an impact on where storms form. It influences atmospheric patterns, which in turn influence where storms form, also the intensity of storms. Other factors such as reductions in ice on the Great Lakes can lead to heavier lake effect storms.
I get a lot of feedback from viewers when I talk about, a big snow event coming, saying, so, what do you think about climate change now? But if you add that moisture into the atmosphere, you're going to get more snow. And we're going to get storms that are heavier. And I think that's something that's hard for the average non-scientist, non-weather geek to get their head around, that this heavy snowstorm could actually be related to increasing temperatures on the planet. But there's no doubt about it. The physics is pretty clear on that.
So as the climate warms, we expect there to be fewer snowstorms overall and less seasonal snowfall, as a general rule. However, we also know that severe storms can form in even the mildest winters. With increases in atmospheric moisture, when the conditions come together just right, we can have extremely severe snowstorms. And we don't have to look back very far to see examples of that. The 2010 Snowmageddon that hit the Mid-Atlantic and brought more than 40 inches of snow to the Washington, D.C. and Baltimore area. The Groundhog Day blizzard in February 2011 that brought 1.5 feet to 2 feet of snow from Oklahoma to Chicago. These types of events are expected to occur with increasing frequency in the future.